from Jadamba, and it caught Bonario slightly off balance.
Nice takedown defense and a nice follow-up. And reversal.
That's crazy stuff.
That's sick. Oh, a nice overhand right by Jadamba. Body shots to follow up.
And he's really laying it into him now. Knees coming as well.
Jadamba smells blood.
That
We're back. Oh, nice.
Oh, spinning back kick.
Hands up, but big takedown by Jadamba.
Gets it dumped again. Looked like a tap to me with the fingers, and he's out. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, what a right hand from Jadamba.
Kelly's not winning any bonuses tonight. That one just came out of